Well, I'm tempering my iron skillet for a very special recipe. A recipe that's not just healthy, but it's also quick, simple, easy, and trust me, it's soon going to be your family favorite. The name you may ask? Oats Paneer Masala Dosa. Let's begin. Well, this is one of those recipes which really need minimum most ingredients and also very little time. Let's begin. First things first, roasted oats powdered in a deep bowl. Rice flour, and along with this, semolina. Time to add in water. Time to add in a couple of spices, beginning with red chilli powder, a touch of turmeric, some garam masala, and cumin seeds. Let's mix this till the mixture is lump-free. And then we'll add in the rest of the solid ingredients. Time to add in green chillies, chopped, red onions, coriander leaves, and lastly, paneer. Lastly, salt. Let's mix this well. We mix this well and keep this aside for 10 minutes. And in the 10 minutes, in case you've not tempered your pan, this is the time to utilize it to the optimum. Well, if you want to see the different ways of tempering a tawa, I've done an exclusive, extensive video on how to temper a tawa. Check the link in the description box below. Once the pan is tempered, let's spread some oil using half an onion. Add in a ladleful of the mixture. Spread it over literally like a rava dosa. Add a couple of more droplets of oil and allow this to cook on medium to high flame. Once it is crisp at the bottom, this goes straight in the serving plate. Well, similarly, let's make some more. It's a beautiful tempered pan, and I'm sure this is going to excite you to make this recipe, try this recipe, and serve this to your family and friends. This, for you ladies and gentlemen, is a crisp dosa with oats, paneer, and some love. Bye for now.